The US film industry was shocked when Warner Brothers announced that its entire slate of films for 2021 will release simultaneously on the big screen and HBO Max streaming platform. Filmmakers like Christopher Nolan criticized this move and even called HBO Max the worst streaming platforms despite being associated with them for 12 years. Now imagine what will happen if Indian producers opt for a similar plan. Imagine if movies like Suryavanshi and 83 released simultaneously on both OTT platform and the big screens. Film trade analysts believe that this will be an amazing thing to do. Looking at the pros, releasing Indian cinemas on OTT platform along with big screen would attract wider audience. The process of releasing big-ticket films on OTT platforms will earn producers a lot of money. The availability of new films on OTT platforms will also give a recognition to the actors to a larger audience. Looking at common people's interest, many who are uncomfortable coming out to theaters to watch films will get to experience first day, first show moment in their living room. While it all looks easy, it's not good news for all. Theater owners and film distributors will be the one suffering from this move. Due to lockdown, over 12% theaters were shut down permanently. Now, if new movies will be available on OTT platforms, the footfall will gradually decrease and 2021 will be no better. Another fact is that it takes lots of money and manpower for the maintenance of theaters and multiplexes. With minimum earning, film exhibitors will have a terrible time dealing with the situation. Getting back to Warner Brothers' announcement, the entertainment company has pitched the idea for just 2021. It had also said that new movies will be available on HBO Max for only a month but will continue to be in theaters for a longer time. If Indian producers will also follow the same path, then theater owners will have a tough time bringing people to cinemas and undergo losses. However, trade analysts believe that in a long run, this plan will bring wider audience to theaters once the producers will stop streaming new movies on OTT before theatrical release. It is also believed that the fan base for Indian cinemas will increase over time if at all Indian producers will follow the Warner Brothers plans. Warner Brothers' plan of simultaneous release of movies will begin with the much anticipated film Wonder Woman. For now, this plan is adopted by Warner Brothers alone, but do you think Indian producers should consider the same?